Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw Blum coin from Telegram. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, just open up the Telegram application here and then simply tap on the search bar and simply search for this Blum here. And simply tap on this Blum here and tap on start. Then tap on this launch Blum and simply tap on start. After that, create an account by adding your nickname and tap on continue. It will start crafting your experience and tap on start farming. Go to the task option provided at the bottom and you will be able to see your task. You can also reach the wallet option and connect your wallet by selecting Keykeeper. Connect your wallet by entering your passcode, then select the active option and you will see a code provided here. Now go to Bloom chat and select launch Bloom. You will see that you are farming here. After that, reach Done Keeper and you will receive and swap option. Tap on buy and sell and you can select different ton coins here. You can also invite your friends on Blum coin. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to withdraw Blum coin from Telegram. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.